Okay, the federal tax deadline fast approaching, and that is causing scammers to pick up the pace as well. The FTC says in recent years, more than 75,000 Americans have lost $28 million to scammers, and they're usually pretending to be IRS officials. The IRS says the agency will not call, text, or send an email.
And joining us now to further discuss this year's tax season is Lauren Weinbrenner with the IRS. Lauren, thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
So in regard to the story that Anthony just read about these scammers, how will the IRS reach out if taxpayers owe money?
Right. So regards to what Anthony said, he is absolutely correct. We will not email or text you. It is rare that we call, because I will say the IRS initiates contact with taxpayers first through the U.S. Postal Service. So we will always initiate via a letter and then maybe follow up with a phone call. But if you receive a phone call from someone claiming to be an IRS representative who's demanding payment or is trying to coerce you into paying them with gift cards or something else that just kind of sounds fishy, it's most likely a scam.
Okay, Lauren, you said that the IRS will rarely call over the phone. In what situations might they actually get a call, just so people know the difference?
Right. So if you do receive a letter in the mail from the IRS, whether it's regarding a balance due or an issue with maybe your return, they could follow up with a phone call, but all contact is initiated via the U.S. Postal Service first.
So this is a very stressful time for so many Americans. We're just a week away from that tax deadline. What should people do if they won't have their returns ready in time, or maybe they don't have the money to pay?
So I would encourage taxpayers, first of all, don't panic. The deadline to file a 2022 federal tax return is next Tuesday, April 18th. If taxpayers feel that they don't have all their documents or if they need more time to file, they can request an extension. And this can be done through our website at irs.gov/free file. So anybody can go in and request an extension, and this would postpone their filing deadline until October 16th.
I'm sure that.
However, it's important to know that an extension to file is not an extension to pay. So if there is tax owed, I encourage taxpayers to look at irs.gov/payments to see payment options available to them.
Okay, helpful information there. Before we let you go, Lauren, can you talk about or tell our audience about one of the most common mistakes you guys are seeing when people are filing their returns?
I will say one of the most common mistakes is just people not having all of their documents. So if you need more time to gather your documents, and get them ready, we encourage you to file that extension, whether that's accounting for miscellaneous income or other things. So make sure you have all your documents ready before you file.
All right, Lauren Weinbrenner from the IRS. We appreciate the information with just a week out before that big deadline. Thank you.
Thank you.